Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Human taste buds can detect 5 basic tastes: sour, sweet, bitter, salty, and umami. There is no spiciness here because spiciness is the perception of pain. In addition to bitterness, today I will talk about the basic seasonings used in Chinese cooking that produce the other 4 flavors. The first is salt. Salt is the first of all tastes and one of the indispensable nutrients for the human body. Salt brings saltiness. In the cooking process, sometimes a single flavor is desired, and sometimes a complex flavor is desired. Chinese cooks use small amounts of salt to enhance other flavors. For example, adding a little salt will make sweet dishes sweeter and sour dishes more sour. Usually when making broth-based dishes such as chicken soup, beef soup, and fish soup, it is best to add salt last, because adding salt first will solidify the protein of the meat, and the meat will become dry, hard, and lose its tender texture. Adding salt first will also make the broth cloudy. When frying vegetables, salt should also be added last, because adding salt first will cause the vegetables to lose moisture and become less crisp and tender. When making pickled dishes, add salt first to allow the salt to penetrate into the ingredients. Vinegar is made from fermented rice or other grains, which imparts a sour taste. In Chinese kitchen, it has the same important status as soy sauce. There are many types of vinegar, including aged vinegar, rice vinegar, black vinegar, white vinegar, etc. White vinegar has a sharper sourness, while other vinegars have a milder sourness. But white vinegar will not deepen the color of cooked dishes. Various sweet and sour dishes are inseparable from vinegar. Chinese people often add a little vinegar to salad dishes to make them more refreshing. The raw ingredient of soy sauce is soybeans. Its taste is a combination of salty and umami, and it also adds color to the dish. Soy sauce is also divided into light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. The use of soy sauce has a long history in China and is a commonly used condiment in Chinese cooking. It is usually placed in the early stage of stir-frying, as heating will stimulate its salty and fresh flavor. MSG or chicken essence brings umami flavor. Some people say that MSG is unhealthy, but studies have proven that MSG is a safe condiment. Eating it in small amounts does not affect your health, and it is an indispensable condiment in Chinese cooking. That MSG is usually added at the end because the high temperature will break down the sodium glutamate. Sugar brings sweetness. Except use sugar in dishes that require sweetness. A small amount of sugar also plays an important role in adding umami flavor. Make the dish taste better. Sugar can also remedy the taste. For example, if a dish is salty, you can add sugar to reduce the saltiness. If the dish is too sour, you can also add sugar to balance it. These are just 5 of the most basic spices in Chinese cooking. If you liked today's video, please subscribe and see you next time.